Welcome to this explainer. Let's just jump right in. Today, we're tackling a massive challenge facing executives everywhere. How do you stop your AI initiatives from being these isolated, experimental lab projects and actually turn them into robust assets that drive your bottom line? Think about your own organization for a second. We've got to acknowledge a very real and very frustrating reality. You invest heavily in data science. Your teams build these incredibly sophisticated, promising AI models, and then, well, they just hit a brick wall. It's a tough pill to swallow, realizing that building the AI, that's literally only half the battle. Getting those models out of the lab and into live production is a massive hurdle. So why does this happen so frequently? To answer that, we're pulling insights today directly from strategic research by Virtualization Options LLC, a Colorado-based advisory group. They are fantastic at cutting through all the complex tech jargon to give us actual strategic clarity. And their roadmap is exactly what we need to turn that AI potential into a real competitive advantage. Here's our playbook for this explainer. First, we'll look at the AI deployment challenge. Second, MLOps as the strategic solution. Third, we'll explain the MLOps lifecycle. Fourth, and this is our main focus today, the 5 steps to MLOps success. And finally, some actionable next steps. All right, part 1, the AI deployment challenge. Right now, the status quo is just a massive operational drain. I mean, if your teams are manually deploying, updating, and managing machine learning models, they are stuck in a deeply resource-intensive cycle. Not only is manual deployment super prone to human error, but the biggest hidden cost here is the talent drain. This manual grind traps your highly paid data scientists and engineers in endless repetitive maintenance. Instead of actually focusing on high-value innovation, they're basically playing whack-a-mole with broken pipelines. It totally paralyzes your ability to innovate quickly. Which brings us to part 2, MLOps, the strategic solution. So solving this requires a major paradigm shift. MLOps, or machine learning operations, is a set of practices that aims to deploy and maintain machine learning models in production reliably and efficiently. And listen, for non-technical leaders, this isn't just some highly technical burden you toss over the fence to IT. It's a unified strategic framework. It integrates your data, your code, and your models to make sure everything actually works efficiently. It's basically the engine that ensures your AI solutions consistently deliver on their promise, rather than just breaking down the second they hit the real world. Now, you might be wondering, doesn't my IT team already do this with DevOps? It's a completely fair question, but we need to draw a clear line between the two. DevOps combines software development and IT ops for continuous code delivery, right? But machine learning isn't just code. Think of DevOps like building the engine of a car. MLOps is having to maintain that engine while the car is currently driving on a track that keeps changing shape. It addresses unique data and model challenges way beyond traditional software, dealing with vast, shifting data sets and models that literally degrade over time as the real world changes. Let's move to part 3, the MLOps lifecycle explained. This lifecycle is broken down into 4 interconnected stages. Step 1, data preparation, where we gather and clean the raw info. That flows right into model development for designing the algorithms, and then model training, where the AI actually learns. Finally, we hit model deployment and monitoring. But, keep in mind, this is absolutely not a one-and-done linear path. It is a continuous, living cycle that turns raw data into tangible impact. And you simply cannot skip that first stage. As the research notes, every successful machine learning model starts with high-quality data. It's about building a solid, trustworthy foundation. Automated data pipelines and rigorous validation are absolutely crucial. If you don't build that solid foundation, all your subsequent ML efforts are just going to rest on totally shaky ground. High-quality data is the literal lifeblood of MLOps. Okay, part 4, 5 steps to MLOps success. This is our core focus today. The research outlines 5 specific steps for adoption. Implement data versioning, set up experiment tracking, automate basic pipelines, introduce model monitoring, and establish feedback loops. The beauty here is that you don't have to boil the ocean all at once. It's a phased strategy where every single stage delivers clear, measurable business value. Let's break these down. Step 1 is implement data versioning. You need to start tracking changes to your datasets. Think about it. Your software engineers wouldn't dream of writing code without version control, right? Well, your data scientists shouldn't be working with data without it either. Datasets evolve. By strictly tracking these changes, you ensure consistency.
If a model suddenly breaks down, data versioning lets you roll right back and see exactly what historical data it was trained on.
Step 2. Set up experiment tracking. Log all model development runs and results. Data science is, by nature, extremely experimental. Your teams might run literally hundreds of variations of a model just to see what sticks. Logging all of these runs creates a totally necessary transparent audit trail. It stops the knowledge from just living inside one data scientist's head and makes the whole process reproducible for the entire engineering team. Moving on to step 3, automate basic pipelines. Now, notice we aren't saying automate everything in the company just yet. The strategic move here is to pick a small, manageable pilot project. Automate the model training and deployment for just that one project. It lets you prove the concept, iron out any organizational kinks, and get a really solid quick win on the board before you try scaling it across the enterprise. Step 4 shifts our focus to after the model goes live. Introduce model monitoring. You have to track key performance metrics of your deployed models. This is absolutely non-negotiable. The real world changes fast. I mean, just look at how consumer buying habits shifted overnight a few years back. That creates what we call model drift. Your AI gets outdated incredibly fast without constant monitoring. You've got to consistently track performance and health to ensure those models are still making accurate predictions. And finally, step 5 closes the whole loop. Establish feedback loops. You want to use monitoring insights to inform model improvements. This is the ultimate payoff of these 5 steps. It transforms your AI from this static, degrading piece of software into a dynamic asset that genuinely gets smarter over time. You take all those insights from step 4, feed them directly back into development, and let the model continuously learn from real-world data. Which brings us to our final section, part 5, actionable next steps. The research poses a vital assessment question for you to take back to your teams tomorrow morning. Which of your models are currently stuck in development? Finding out which models are successfully in production versus which are trapped in development limbo will reveal your hidden technical debt. It shows you exactly where these manual processes are bogging down your progress. So here's your concrete roadmap. First, conduct an MLOps readiness assessment to pinpoint those exact pain points. Second, define a small, impactful pilot project, like we talked about in step 3. Third, form a cross-functional task force. Get data scientists, ML engineers, and IT ops all in the same room, breaking down those traditional silos. Fourth, invest in targeted training so your teams actually have the right tools. And lastly, establish technical and leadership communication channels so everyone stays aligned on the big business goals. Because ultimately, success hinges on cross-functional teamwork and executive support. MLOps isn't just some off-the-shelf software upgrade you can buy and install. It's a fundamental cultural shift in how your teams collaborate. And honestly, it requires explicit, ongoing backing from you, the executive leadership. Without your active championing, even the most expensive tools are going to fail to take root. So, I'll leave you with this final thought. You've got the data, you've got the talent, and we've all seen the massive promise of AI. Are you ready to turn your AI potential into tangible business results? The roadmap is right here in front of you. Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and I hope you feel empowered to go champion your new MLOps strategy today.